Jim lad, stick close to the old Long John, and I will teach you all the ways of the sea. Ever been on the ship before?
No, sir, but I have always dreamt of it. This is also exciting.
That's the spirit. The sea is a grand teacher, and you learn quick, I can tell. Now, help me with these plates. Will you?
Sure.
You have got a look of a clever lad. If you keep your eyes open and with sharp, the sea is full of surprises, good and bad.
What kind of surprises?
Storms, strange islands, and let's just say not every man on the ship is as honest as he seems.
I must say, Squire, I do not like the look of this crew. They're unruly, and that Silver, he's too friendly for my liking.
Captain, you worry too much. Silver's a fine man, and the crew will fall in line. Just relax and enjoy the journey.
Mark my words, Squire. If there is trouble on this voyage, it will come from within.
Could the captain be right? Silver seems kind, but there's something mysterious about him. Come along, Jim. Adventure awaits. But remember, stay cautious and alert. I will, Doctor. I promise.
Doctor, a pleasure to see you again. You'll find me a hard worker, a loyal friend, and a good cook. Just ask the lads.
I'll take your word for it, Mr. Silver. But loyalty is best proven over time.
Hurry it up, lads. The tide won't wait for us.
Who put that barrel there? It's in the way.
Easy now, lads. We'll set sail soon enough. Jim, lad, why don't you grab that rope and give it the pull?
Aye, aye, Mr. Silver.
Ever heard of Blackbeard? A true terror of sea. Now, there was a man who knew how to command respect. But you have got the making of a fine sailor if you keep your wits about you.
You're kind, Mr. Silver, but some of the crew make me uneasy. Why do they always whisper when the officers aren't around?
Sailors, Jim, they are always full of secrets and stories. It's in their nature. Don't let them trouble you. You are safe with the old Long John Silver.
I suppose so, Mr. Silver, but Captain Smollett does not trust them. He's always watching everyone closely.
Captain, a fine leader, no doubt. But too much suspicion can be dangerous. Trust is what keeps a ship afloat. Remember that.
Things are not always as they seem. I will, Doctor. I promise.
Doctor, join us for a bit friendly talk. I've got a tale or two you might enjoy.
Perhaps another time, Mr. Silver. My duty's called.
A busy man, that doctor. Now, Jim, let's get you practicing these knots. A good sailor always knows his ropes, after all.
Once we are on the island, the treasure is ours. Squire and his lord
Won't know what hit them.
Aye, but we will wait for Silver's signal.
Keep your heads down and your mouths shut till the time is right. One slip and we'll all hang. Remember, patience wins the day.
Aye, Silver, we trust you.
They will never see it coming.
They're planning a mutiny. I must warn Captain Smollett and others. But how?
Come dawn and we will be digging for gold. And by sunset, we will be the richest crew to ever sail the seven seas.
What if there's no treasure, Silver? What if it's all for naught?
Then we'll make our own fortune, starting with what is in Squire's pockets. But let me tell you this, anyone who doubts me will answer to my blade. Clear?
Aye, Captain Silver, we trust you. It's just, what about the others? The captain and his lord.
Leave them to me. When the time comes, they won't know what hit them.
Good work, lad. Lucy, take a few men and guard the ship. We'll deal with the pirates.
The ship is our lifeline. If we lose it, we lose everything. I'll see to it personally.
Don't you worry, Captain. I move the treasure to a safer place. They'll find nothing but dirt where they're digging.
You're certain of this? If they find even a hint of gold, they'll be unstoppable.
Certain as the time, sir. Let them dig. It'll keep them busy while we plan.
What should we do? How do we stop them?
Divide and conquer. If we can lure some of them away, we'll have a better chance at overpowering the rest.
There's a cliff near the northern shore. Steep and treacherous. I've seen them wander close before. Might be able to lead a few there.
A risky plan, but it could work. We need precise timing.
I can help. I've seen where they gather at night. I can sneak close and overhear their next move.
Jim, you've done enough. You're brave. But this is dangerous work. Leave it to us.
Let the lad help, Captain. He's got a quick wit and a good heart. Besides, he's already tangled with the likes of Silver and has lived to tell the tale.
Oh, very well. But Jim, promise me that you'll be careful.
I promise, Captain, I won't let you down.
A haunting reminder of the danger that lay ahead. The battle for the treasure and their lives was about to begin.
It's empty! There's nothing here! We've been digging for hours and not a single coin!
Empty? You say? Pen, gun? That sneaky devil has played us for fools! Keep digging! There must be something.
What if it's all gone? What if it's secret?
Silence, you cowards! We'll be digging until our fingers bleed if we must. I won't leave this cursed spot empty-handed.
Drop your weapons, Silver. You and your men are surrounded.
Surrounded? Ah, well, isn't this a fine turn of events? But I have been in tighter spots than this, Captain.
They found about us, Captain! What do we do now?
Stand your grounds, lad. No need for rash decisions. Captain, perhaps we can talk like civilized men.
No parley, Silver. It's over. Tell your men to surrender.
Silver, give it up. You have lost. There's no treasure for you here.
Brave words, lad, but a pirate never quits. All right, boys, stand down. No sense in spilling blood today. We live to fight another day.
Ben Gunn was clever indeed. He must have moved the treasure long ago. Let's secure the island and retrieve it.
It's finally over. We have won.
Take the prisoners back to the ship. Set sail once everything is secure.
You have got a fire in you, lad. Don't lose it. Perhaps we'll cross path again.
There once was a ship that went to sea. The name of the ship was a belly of tea. The wind blew up our bow, up down, oh below my bully boy go. Soon may the whaleman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum.
Hey mates! The sea's a harsh mistress, but she's fair. Remember, treasures, not just gold. It's what in your heart that counts.
Wisdom, courage, and loyalty, those are treasures no one can steal.
And let this be a warning. Greed and treachery lead only to ruin. Choose your path wisely.
For me, this journey was more than finding gold. It was about finding myself. And I'll carry these lessons with me forever.
Whose courage led us to danger and discovery, along with Jim's mother, whose fine strength marked the beginning of his great adventure. Please welcome Billy Gold, the mysterious sailor whose arrival set the story in motion. Please welcome Long John Silver, clever, captivating, and a pirate you'll never forget in a hurry. A big round of applause for Captain Smollett, Dr. Livesey, and Squire Trelawney, whose wisdom and leadership kept the voyage steady. Let us also call upon Bengal, unforgettable and eccentric, and Pew, whose arrival added tension and fear to our tale. Let us also call upon the pirates and crew who filled their seas with suspense, mischief, and excitement. May we now invite our narrators, the guiding voices who steer the story forward and help us through every scene with clarity and imagination. A special cheer for our dancers who brought the waves, the storm, and the spirit of the sea alive by their graceful movements. But every great voyage needs more than sailors on deck. So, may we now invite our backstage supporters who work silently behind the curtains, making sure every scene runs smoothly. Treasure Island reminded us that the greatest treasure is not gold or silver, but teamwork, trust, and perseverance. Thank you, audience, for sailing with us and believing in our adventure. Please put your hands together for